Welcome to Manafacta. Everyday heroes, the humble gas burner. These small yet powerful devices are integral to our daily lives. We use them every day, often without a second thought. From the moment we ignite them, they become the heart of our kitchens. Little fire starters hiding in plain sight. They bring warmth and the ability to cook our favorite meals with just a flick of a switch. Gas burners. They're the unsung heroes of our kitchens, the workhorses of restaurants, the reason we have hot showers and warm houses. They are essential in both professional and home settings. Ever stop to think about how those metal marvels actually get made? It's a fascinating process that combines raw materials and advanced technology. It's a journey, folks. From raw materials to precision engineering, each step is crucial in crafting these indispensable tools. Let's fire up the story of how gas burners come to life. From the initial design to the final assembly, every detail matters. We often take them for granted, but without these little guys, life would be a whole lot colder and a lot less tasty. Imagine a world without the convenience of a quick, hot meal or a warm shower. So buckle up, we're going behind the scenes to see the sweat, the skill, and yeah, maybe a little fire that goes into making a gas burner. It's a story of innovation, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. These humble devices may seem simple, but they are the result of complex engineering and meticulous craftsmanship. So next time you light up a gas burner, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken to get to your home. From ore to burner, a material transformation. This journey is a fascinating tale of how raw, unrefined materials are turned into something incredibly useful and essential in our daily lives. It all starts with dirt, or at least what looks like dirt to the untrained eye. Well, not exactly dirt, but ore. Iron ore to be specific, which is rich in iron oxides and other minerals. Iron ore to be precise. This raw material is extracted from the earth through mining, a process that involves heavy machinery and skilled labor. Mined from the earth, this heavy metal gets transformed into steel, the backbone of our burner. But steel's not enough. The transformation process involves heating, melting, and forging the ore into steel, which is then shaped into various components. We need brass for its resistance to corrosion and heat, aluminum for lightweight components. Brass is cast and shaped, while aluminum is molded and refined to meet the specific needs of the burner. And sometimes a touch of ceramic for that extra bit of durability. Ceramic parts are produced through a meticulous process that ensures they can withstand high temperatures and wear. These raw materials, each with their own story of extraction and refinement, come together to form the building blocks of our burner. Each material undergoes a unique process to ensure it meets the high standards required for the final product. It's a testament to human ingenuity, how we take what the earth gives us and mold it into something new. The assembly line is where all these components come together, meticulously assembled by skilled workers to create a functional and reliable gas burner. This transformation from raw material to finished product is a marvel of modern engineering and craftsmanship. The assembly line where sparks fly and metal bends. Now the real action begins. Giant presses stamp out burner components with incredible force. Skilled welders fuse metal together in a shower of sparks. Grinding machines smooth rough edges, and lathes shape the burner's intricate parts. It's a symphony of noise, heat, and precision. Each step requires a keen eye, a steady hand, and a healthy respect for the power of the tools involved. These men and women on the factory floor are the unsung heroes of the manufacturing process, transforming raw materials into something functional and essential. Precision engineering, getting the gas flow just right. Here's where things get technical. The heart of a gas burner is the gas valve. This tiny component controls the flow of gas, ensuring a safe and efficient burn. Too much gas, and you've got yourself a dangerous situation. Too little, and your flame fizzles out. Engineers spend countless hours designing and testing these valves, using sophisticated software and good old-fashioned trial and error to get it just right. It's a delicate dance between pressure, volume, and combustion, all happening within the confines of that tiny valve. Testing, 1, 2, 3, boom. Just kidding, safety first. Before a gas burner leaves the factory, it goes through rigorous testing. We're talking leak detection, pressure tests, flame stability analysis, the works. Safety is paramount, folks. These burners are going into our homes, our businesses, and nobody wants a fiery mishap. Technicians use specialized equipment to simulate real-world conditions, ensuring each burner meets the highest safety standards. It's a meticulous process, but one that's absolutely essential for peace of mind. From factory floor to your kitchen, the burner's journey. Once they've passed inspection, the burners are carefully packaged and shipped off to their final destinations. They might end up in a brand new stove, a state-of-the-art furnace, or even a trusty old grill. No matter the application, these little fire starters are ready to do their job. It's a long journey from the mines to the factory floor to your home, but it's a journey that highlights the interconnectedness of our world and the ingenuity of the people who make it all work. Burner trivia betcha didn't know. Did you know that the first gas burner was invented way back in 1826 by a British chemist named James Sharp? Talk about a bright idea. Or how about this? The blue flame you see on a properly adjusted gas burner is actually hotter than a yellow flame. Who knew? It's these little tidbits of information that make the world of manufacturing so fascinating. There's always something new to learn, some hidden detail that reveals the ingenuity and creativity behind even the most commonplace objects. The future of flame innovations in burner technology. The world of gas burners is constantly evolving. Engineers are developing new, more efficient burner designs that use less gas and produce fewer emissions. We're talking about things like infrared burners that heat food more evenly, and catalytic burners that reduce harmful pollutants. It's exciting to think about what the future holds for this humble appliance. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative and sustainable solutions for harnessing the power of flame. A toast to the tiny titans. Appreciation for the everyday. So, next time you're boiling water for pasta, making a cup of tea, or preparing a hearty soup, or cranking up the heat on a chilly evening to warm your home, take a moment to appreciate the humble gas burner. This small yet powerful device is often overlooked, but it's a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Think about the countless hours of design and testing, and a reminder that even the simplest things in life can have a fascinating story to tell. The gas burner is not just a tool, it's a symbol of progress and convenience. From the miners who extract the raw materials deep within the earth, to the engineers who meticulously design these intricate devices, ensuring safety and efficiency, there's a whole lot of hard work and dedication that goes into bringing us the everyday comfort and convenience of a gas burner. Factory workers assemble each part with precision, ensuring that every unit meets high standards. So let's raise a glass, or maybe a steaming cup of cocoa, to these tiny titans of the modern world. Cheers to the unsung heroes that make our daily lives easier and more comfortable. If you found this video interesting and want to explore more about how things are made, built, discovered, explored, or manufactured, be sure to leave a comment, give it a like, and subscribe to Manafacta. And don't forget to watch next time for even more exciting content.